270 feet high. Get around this hill. I might not get to the far side. We'll see. The far side of the hill. Going about 18 miles an hour, 230 feet high. Gain some altitude here soon. Okay, try and get around this hill a little bit. I don't think I'll go around to the backside. I'll be in the shade anyway. Go up a bit here. All I need to do is hit a tree on the way here. 370 feet high. And about 380, we'll go 400. There's 400 feet. What are those trees? That's not the road, really. I didn't know those trees there. Yeah. Trying to figure out these trees. That's one of the ditches. I'm going to stay on the sunny side of the hill. I'll do a circle around the no cables to worry about at that one. I'm down to 63% battery. This one's going back up a bit here. Here. Whoops. That's close enough for today. Back up. Got a big top of the tower in here. Sun is going to be going down soon. The big hill. The Cabernel hill. See how fast I can go backwards. I'm only about 17 miles an hour. Start coming down altitude a bit. I'm at 450 feet there, I'll start coming down. 19 miles an hour out of it now. Okay, that's about 400 feet. Still got 50% battery. Now we're down to about 180 feet, and I think that's good for the hill. Should have taken a pan around when I was at the top. Take a shot. Looking east while the sun is shining on the bush yet. Decent time, I'm moving. Alright, see if I can land her on this pad. And it tumbles in the snow. Yeah, not my fault.